Back over here and tell me about it. Oh, tell Grampy. Oh.
Sarah's talking to her grandpa. She's 9 weeks old.
Oh, yes.
They're just having a little conversation.
Oh. Yes. What is it? Tell Grandpa. Tell Grampy. Tell Grampy. Yeah.
I see you, Sarah.
Oh.
What's that?
What's the matter? What is it? Things aren't going your way? What is it?
Oh,
Nobody's holding you.
where's that lip of tragedy? It's coming. I see it.
You don't like the video camera? You get mad every time we pull it out? Okay, we'll turn it off.